Bedroom design and its influencing factors. Introduction. The art of space control and arrangement is called interior design. Interior design elements include workspace, glamour, comfort, elegance, and sophistication. Thus, an interior designer's goal must align with customer appeal and satisfaction. By implication, an interior designer must have skills in structural requirements, software applications, building codes, textiles, color match, space organization, and safety. Bedroom decoration is an essential aspect of an interior design that requires careful planning. The designer must prioritize the space layout as the first element of design. Secondly, the positions of bedroom furniture must align with the client's appeal. However, the client's needs must be understood and followed to avoid complications. The factors that affect the quality of a room design include experience, design, layout, skill evaluation, data collection, research, design elements, client profiling, basic design principles, and position. Factors that influence a good bedroom design. Experience. An interior designer must have classroom knowledge in design or its equivalent. Thus, certifications in interior designs, material engineering, textiles separations, and color match complement the individual's experience. By implication, an interior designer must combine field lessons with the skill to achieve customers' appeal. Thus, the designer must be experienced to understand the needs of his or her clients. Please note that relevant institutions must certify an interior designer, while a decorator can be gifted. Design layout. The layout of the bedroom determines the design. As a result, the designer must know the layout measurements to organize the interior furniture. The designer's ability to factor the space requirement of each client influences a good bedroom design. Skill evaluation. Designers must satisfy the client's appeal for his or her money. The designer must test his or her strength and weakness in interior design. By implication, positive feedback from clients shows the designer's strength in bedroom design. However, the designer must overcome the negative feedback using personal study and careful planning. Data collection. Data collection is an important feature that facilitates the customer's satisfaction. An effective data collection can create a difference between designers. Thus, customer loyalty depends on their appeal and satisfaction. By implication, the designer must conduct open research to collect relevant information concerning each client. Please note that the customer's style may not be convincing. However, giving options for the room design will boost loyalty and trust. Trends, fashion, and the bandwagon effect. Most clients prefer original designs to duplications. The designer must understand interior trends and style using online search tools and fieldwork. Research. Bedroom design is synonymous with field experience. Thus, the designer can amaze the client with a unique concept. Detailed research in quality designs will assist interior designers in understanding the client's needs. Consequently, design applications complement individual skills. For example, a good design program can adjust room furniture to create space based on the client's instructions. Thus, the designer must have the program and applications to complement his or her educational qualifications. Elements of the design. The element of the design determines the quality of a good bedroom design. Nevertheless, the interior designer must understand the features of good design. The features of a good bedroom design include glamour, harmony, coziness, symmetry, contrast, boldness, playfulness, and coordination. The designer must combine and complement these features to create a masterpiece that will amaze the client. Thus, the features listed above facilitated the design flow and uniformity. Client profiling. Client profiling influences the quality of a design plan. The designer must profile the clients to understand his or her needs. The designer must accommodate the client's requirements and adjust when needed. Thus, the one-to-one interview will create the blueprint for the room design. The phrase "the client is always right" must be carefully maintained and adjusted to avoid the customer's dissatisfaction. Basic design principles. Basic design principles influence the quality of a room design. By implication, the designer can understand the client's needs using basic design principles. For example, the color match must be durable, unique, and simple. Consequently, the room design must have space for other activities. Proper ventilation is a criterion for a good bedroom design. As a result, the design begins with the building plan. Positioning. Positioning room functions and accessories must be measured and precise. Artifacts, light fittings, and wall switches must be positions that are specific lengths to avoid congestion. Consequently, the room function arrangement must be tailored using a good design program. Thus, an interior designer can model a client's needs using his or her style. Conclusion. The factors listed above facilitate the quality of a bedroom design. However, the customer's needs depend on the designer's willingness to adapt, empathize, and align trends, fashion, and appeal. The requirements for a one-room design depend on the client's flow and needs. However, the room's layout and building plan determine the location of bed space, functions, and accessories.